Hi, I'm Jenna, and I'm 85 years old. I live in Buckingham, Pennsylvania, and I am a wood carving artist. I've ridden carousels since I was 3 years old, and I always loved the horses, and I wanted one for myself. And so I saw a gentleman at a craft show carving a full-size animal, and I asked him if he would be willing to give me lessons. I took it up about 20 years ago. From there, I just decided I would carve something for my grandchildren to ride. I have arthritis in my shoulders. Started right after Christmas, so I went to see about them, and they of course took x-rays, and it was bone on bone in both of them. So I was in pain. I couldn't carve for a whole year. I just had nothing I could really look forward to, and I just couldn't wait to get them fixed. When I went to have my shoulders replaced, the doctor recommended a reverse replacement. They both turned out just really well. I'm an older lady, but believe me, my joints are like 20-year-olds. I've started to get my carving stuff together. I can't wait. I really can't. I have recommended Rothman to an awful lot of people. It's important you go to the very best, and Rothman, for me, is the very best. I wouldn't go to any other group except Rothman for any kind of orthopedic work. Rothman specializes in shoulders, so I can specialize in woodworking and wood carving.